Guys, just got a video today covering how to purchase Empire token on the Empire DEX, as well as how to provide liquidity to the staking pools. So first of all, you just got to navigate to the Empire DEX, URL will be in the description. You then select Empire, and so I'm just going to buy 0.1 worth BNB worth of Empire. Swap, accept the pop-up. Just got to wait for it to go through. There we go. And I am now the proud owner of an extra 0.51 Empire. So now, if you want to stake that, what you can do is you can go to the Empire pools, can description have the URL. This has all the current pools on the BSC chain for us. And so I'm going to create some LP to add to this pair here, the B Prism to Empire. So I click on it, and so first of all, just if you don't have the LP already, you can just click on the link here, and it'll take you to a page where you'll be able to add the liquidity. And obviously, when you're adding liquidity, you'll need 50% of the first token and 50% of the second token. Okay, and here we go. Okay, and here we go. So I'm gonna add the prism. It'll match it with 50%, or sorry, the equivalent value of however much you put in. And so you select your liquidity type, standard. Gotta do both the approves. And then just wait for it to recognize I've approved it already. All right. Okay. So I'll just wait for that to go through. There we go. So I now have my LP for B Prism to Empire. So I go back to this page. I'll approve the LP to be used. Okay, and it's gone through. Wait for the site to update. Okay, so it's approved. So I'm going to be depositing everything. So it's confirmed. Okay, so you can now see how much you have staked. It tells you the share of the pool. And so this includes your boosted stake. So you have the amount you've staked, and then you can basically go with boosts, and those are local. So these are all local boosts, and so you pay a fee in either BNB, Prism, BUSD, BTCB, and that'll let you basically increase your effective share of the pool. And so you can also sync your account, Prism Mint history to update your global boost, and that's for all the pools. Obviously, you can withdraw at any time. Claiming rewards just gives you your empire that you've earned, or whatever the reward is. You can see the reward column. Exit the pool will claim your rewards and take out your pool share. And yeah, you can see here for the local boosts, you can pay for up to 5 levels here. They will give you boosts on your share. And that's it. It's pretty simple.